Hello. It's fucking winter. Pardon me French, but it is. See, there's snow. I bring me compost. There's my bike in the back. My lovely bike. Okay. Yeah, here we are at the allotment. It's quite chilly. No chilies left. Ah, there's just some chilies left. Yeah. Oh, see, there's probably the fox was here, as you can see. But the fox has been here probably last night. We will see if he's on the camera. Here the badger, and here a pussycat. Oh no, that's also a badger. Regarding the chilies, beautiful habanero, black chocolate habanero. Well, you don't need to tell me. Yeah, it didn't work out this year. But the rest of the garden looks quite nice. Oh, did I mention to you that I have a new allotment? Like, this is not mine, I already told you in a video before. That allotment over there, that is my new paradise. Yeah, we'll see in spring. Well, I did forget to cover the water tanks. I have two over there, not covered, they're filled with ice. And then I have 3 up there as well, and not covered and still full with water. Yeah, they're probably gonna break because the water and ice tension. See, this is my compost, and there's a small glacier on it. Okay. The garden government, I don't know what's it called, it's like Stadt Zürich owns it, like the city of Zurich. And on November 7th or 10th, with the last Hexelsammlung, which is, I don't know, what's it, like chop collection, maybe in English. And they turned off the water, so, because otherwise, see the mountain on my back, that's the Uetliberg. It's full of snow, ice, covered. Well, otherwise they're gonna break during winter time, the pipes. So it's pretty hard now to wash out your bin, your compost bin with snow. This is actually not really working. So I wash my hands at home, and I wash that compost bin also at home. Yeah. Oh, actually, and on my new allotment, there are Brussel sprouts. I'll show you. Well, I guess these are supposed to be the Brussels sprouts, but they sprouted too big or not enough or whatever. I don't know. Look like Brussels sprouts. I have the same in my old allotment, like in my wife's allotment. Yeah. I'm not sure what it is actually. Seems to be Brussels sprouts. And then this is something from my man Tony up in Stockholm. This is only for you, Tony. It's time for the horseradish, isn't it? Because we want to eat our lox with horseradish. And the horseradish is actually down under? No, it's done here. See, Tony, here's your horseradish. You got better dig some. And people say, oh no, stop doing that, you're destroying your horseradish and shit. But you know what? I'm not going to destroy my horseradish. Horseradish can't be destroyed. It's like energy. It can never be really destroyed. If just one little bit of horseradish stays in the ground, which it does, because you can always get it out. This is the root. Horseradish is 1. I have like 5. Then it will grow again. Oh, it's really good, Tony. It's really good. Oh, it's really good. I'll be honest with you. I'm not really a good gardener. I'm not. I'm a better messenger, and I'm not a good messenger as well. But I love my gardening work, and it makes a lot of fun. Yeah, I learn every year.